it's your girl Christy A. And if you guys are new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you are returning, welcome back, bruh. So I think yesterday I told you guys I had went to the pet store, and I seen a dog that I like. So now I am headed to actually go pick up the dog that I want. Okay, so I'm super excited. I can't record in here, so but yeah, we're gonna go pick up a puppy, and I cannot wait to show you guys. Okay guys, so look what I got. You guys, meet Celine. She's so cute. Right now she is 9 weeks. She's ready to get out. I'm so excited, guys. Yeah, meet Celine. Oh yeah, she's a Cavapoo, guys. So yeah, so we're now about to go to the pet store and get her some, you know, some little essentials. And yeah, guys, I will talk to you guys when we get to the pet store. And she'll see. Look. Look at her. So we're about to find her. I don't know if she can fit a collar yet, guys, but I definitely need a leash. She's so small.
So small.
So we gotta find a collar and a leash and some more little goodies for her. We'll be back. Y'all, so I literally just left PetSmart, all that stuff back there, and I just came to Starbucks and got her a puff cup, and look at her. She have not stopped eating. They try to take it away.
She's loving it.
She like, I want more, Dad. So yeah, y'all, she is loving the puff cup. This is gonna be my baby's new thing. Well, not like that, because she can't have them like that, but every so and so. So yeah, guys, I am about to, hold on. So yeah, guys, I'm about to head home now. I've been out all day. I got the puppy that I wanted. I am like so super excited. Oh my gosh, I got my Cavapoo. I either wanted a Yorkie. My boyfriend sees, I know that's why the thing going crazy. I either wanted a Yorkie or a Cavapoo, and I got my Cavapoo. And period. And Shay is over there.
Come on, Celine. Get some of this off your face.
Oh, she is having a. When we get home, I'm about to take her to the pet park, and yeah, and I gotta figure out what we eat for dinner tonight, y'all. I ain't even thought about dinner. I got Celine, and I ain't thought about nothing. Okay, but getting my baby together, we just left PetSmart, spent some money, and yeah. So we're about to head home now, guys. So yeah, I will see you guys when we get home. Okay guys, so this is the food that our breeder had gave us to feed our little baby. So we have to mix these two together for about, I think it's like the next, well, until we run out. And I got her this. And I got her this. Look at her. Got her this. We just got back in from outside. We got some dog tags. And this is all the stuff that the breeder provided. We gotta feed her this morning and night. Another one. We have two of these. These are like they nutrients, right? Yep. We got two of those. And then they gave me some dog tags too. And then we got our paperwork. So yeah, y'all. We're about to, and I got Celine of these toys. We just got back in outside from playing. And then I got her thing right here. I think I'm ordering another one off Amazon though. I think I want it pink. And yeah, y'all. Hey guys, we just got back in from outside, so I know I look hot, sweaty, and all of the above. So we are about to chill it, just chill. We're about to chill on this Sunday. Okay. Relax, chill, and just enjoy Celine. And this is her little pup cup. That's how much she got. Ate already. She was dogging this out in the car. You were dogging it out in the car. And then look at her little bow, guys. Super cute. So, hey y'all, I'm about to feed her this food. We're gonna relax and I'll check back in with you guys later. Let's make it. So she was running. Her little.
Are you scared?
No, I just feel them clothes.